Got the AeroPress. It's goated. Take your hot water. Of course, the first time I tried to grab this, it was 1,000,000 degrees. So now I got the towel. Get your hot water. Pour it in there. Like so. And then you're supposed to stir with the stick a little bit. And then, and only then, you put in the plunger. Probably not safe with one hand. But you press it, look at that. What? Coffee in under 60 seconds in the woods. There's not a single power outlet anywhere near us. Pure fire.